eBay sellers, thanks for joining this eBay for Charity workshop entitled Take Action and Support Causes You Care About. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a little known and often overlooked topic, eBay for Charity, and how your generosity can make your eBay store stand out, sell more product, sell more often, lower your eBay fees, qualify for a donation tax receipt that you can use when you file your taxes, and help your favorite charity in the process. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Laurie Wong, and I'm the founder and CEO of Reflections of Trinity. We're a 501c3 nonprofit located in Powder Springs, Georgia, and this year we celebrate 20 years of serving the greater Atlanta area. We have a food pantry that currently serves over 7,500 individuals each month, and we've been a vetted charity seller on the eBay for Charity platform for the past 18 years. As a direct seller on eBay, I not only earn revenue that allows our nonprofit to remain sustainable, but the income that we receive also allows us to purchase food for distribution to those that are in need through our food pantry. Check this out. For the past 10 years, eBay for Charity has helped us serve over 13 million pounds of food to over 500,000 people. Thank you, eBay. So now that I've introduced myself and you know that I've been around for a while, let's get down to business. Statistically, here are some things that you need to know. People help people that support charitable causes. In other words, people help people that help people. Being benevolent is an opportunity for you to attract and to maintain loyal customers. And it not only grows your bottom line, but it also supports the causes that you care about. And eBay for Charity gives you the tools and the platform to make that a reality. So why sell for charity? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to give you not just one or two reasons, I'm going to give you 9 reasons or benefits to consider selling on the eBay for Charity platform. Here we go. Number 1, when you assign a portion of your sales to your favorite charity, eBay gives your listing an attention-grabbing charity icon at the end of your title, so buyers can easily identify that a portion of your sale benefits charity. Number 2, this means that you're going to show up in filtered searches as some buyers search to purchase items exclusively from charity sellers. Number 3, you have significant flexibility in how much you can donate from each listing. You can assign as little as 10% or $1 or as high as 100% if you're a direct seller like we are. If you're selling via eBay Motors, the percentage can go even lower. You can assign 1% or more. Number 4, stats also show that your item may sell faster. And number 5, it can sell at a premium price just because you're donating a portion to charity. And there's a lot of buyers that are willing to pay your full asking price just because they know that you're supporting a worthy cause. Number 6, you get a break on final value fees. How great is that? Whatever percentage you donate, you'll get the same percentage discount on your final value fees. Number 7, you get a donation tax receipt, and you get that automatically sent to you approximately 21 days after your sale. So there's no need to go hunting receipts at tax time. Number 8, selling to benefit charity is a great way to build community and to build a following for your store by posting items to your social media accounts and sharing about your charity cause. Last but by no means least, you give your charity the support that they so badly need. And I can tell you that is a huge blessing in today's economic climate. Okay, so by now you might be saying, Laurie, I'm sold. What do I do next? Well, let's explore the eBay for Charity page. Let's type in charity.ebay.com and let's see if your charity has a presence on eBay. So I'm going to use Reflections of Trinity as our example. And as you can see, we have a store here on eBay for charity, and we have a minimum of 10,000 items listed or listed on our behalf. Not everything on this page is being sold by us. Here's an example of something that's not being sold by us, right here. This is another seller that's listing on our behalf. And here's an example of something that is being sold by us. And if we go back up to the top, if you're a charity and you want to sell on eBay directly, you would click on this button. If you're a regular eBay seller and you'd like to sell for charity, you would click here. And this is what we're going to focus on in this workshop. Now, if you notice, if you scroll down the page, that eBay gives you a step-by-step guide, so you have lots of tools at your fingertips. Now, I'd like to take a moment to show you what your donation dashboard would look like. You would click here, and you'll notice the account bar on your left-hand side. Everything pertaining to your donations, both past and present, will be listed here for your review, which makes it very easy to track. eBay makes things so easy. Now, the only thing left for us to do is to list for charity together. Believe me, it's easy peasy. So let's get started. Okay, so let's say you already have items for sale that you'd like to list, some to benefit charity. All you have to do is click on the Sell Now button on the charity page. We'll head on down, and that'll take you directly to your active listings, or you could pull your listings up in Seller Hub. Once you're in your active listings, then you can choose the one or the ones that you want to benefit charity. Now you want to revise your listing. And then you're going to go all the way down to charity under the preferences area. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to find your charity. Put in your percentage, hit revise, and voila, it's done. And you would do the same thing for new listings, same process. So here we are at a listing, and let me point out two things. You see this share link right here? This gives you easy access to 8 social media channels as well as email so that you can share your items, share your charitable passion, and invite folks to join the journey. It's also a great way to build a following. Remember that the key to big success is consistency and providing quality items with good customer service. You also have the ability to tell the story about your charity right in your listings using the HTML option for your description. Let's take a look at Reflections of Trinity. Here we've used a third-party tool to create the HTML template, and all of our listings tell our story. When listing your items, the template tool that you use converts your pictures, your photos, your charity verbiage, and your item description. We'll head over to revise the listing, and we'll show you how. What you'll do is you'll use a custom template. You'll copy and paste your code here, and once you hit the submit button, your listing will convert the code into the design that you've created, and now you have a way to showcase your charity within your listing. Pretty cool, huh? So let's talk about key takeaways and action items to do after this presentation. Let's review. If you are a charity, click on the guide in charity.ebay.com and complete your paperwork, and let's get started. If you're a regular seller with existing inventory, begin by assigning items to benefit your favorite charity to start the process. Let your charity know what you're doing and ask for their support and exposure. It's a great way to get new customers. Use social media as you begin your journey, not only highlighting what you're doing, but also to champion the cause of your charity. And lastly, here is a super one-page tool that I'd like to show you that condenses what you have to know about eBay for charity. I'm going to include it during the question and answer session as a clickable link. It's a wonderful tool for quick reference, and I'll be available to answer any questions you might have. So there you have it in a nutshell, folks. It's pretty simple. And now, as I wrap up our time together, I want to remind you that people really do help people that support charitable causes. I began this workshop by giving you 6 reasons why you should consider allocating a portion of your listing towards your favorite charity. I've shown you how to do it and where you can go to manage your donation data. Now the rest is up to you. So let's take this win-win strategy and make it a reality. Deal? Deal. So take care, my friends, and I wish you all the best in your selling journey.